Hi, everybody. This is just a quick tutorial on how to find books in our library using RICAT and Destiny. So the first step is to go to ricat.net, scroll down the middle school section until you see Riverside Middle School, and click. So this is our homepage. You're going to want to go to Catalog. You can see on the right there's a login. This is only necessary if you want to check out an audiobook or an ebook. If you do, I have another video on that. You just put in EP followed by your 5-digit student ID, and then EP is the password, and you're able to do that. For today, you don't need to sign in. Today, we're just searching for books using Destiny and Destiny Discover. So you can see here on our search page, we have keyword, title, author, subject, and series. Make sure you're in Riverside Middle School if you're looking in our library. I don't use keyword too often. It gets a little confusing sometimes, so we'll start with title. So maybe a friend tells you about this really great title called Hunger Games. You should read it. Type Hunger Games and then click on title. You'll see we have two different versions of Hunger Games. This is pre-movie Hunger Games, and this one came out after the movie. We've got two different versions. The call number is fiction, COL. These two just happen to be paperback. But fiction and COL for Collins. So you'd find this in the fiction section of our library. You'll see this copy. We have 6 copies and 4 are available. This one we have 1 copy and it is available. So if you wanted to check this book out, you could go over to fiction COL and find it. Maybe you read the Hunger Games books, you thought they were great, you wonder if we have anything else by Suzanne Collins. You type Suzanne Collins in and click author. This tells you we have 5 different books by Suzanne Collins. We have the Hunger Games books. We also have Gregor and the Prophecy of Bane. We have 2 copies of that book and 1 is currently available. So again, you'd go to Fiction COL to find this book. You'll notice it's part of a series and it's book number 2. So unless you've read book 1, you might want to find something different, or we can find that through another library and borrow it. The next way to search is by subject. So maybe your teacher tells you you are doing a research paper on penguins. If you type penguins and hit enter, all of these will be in effect. So if you have an author with the last name Penguins, if you have a book like Mr. Popper's Penguins, which is fiction, all of those will come up. So if you want a specific book about penguins, penguins is the subject, you're going to click on subject. You'll see we have 2 different books about penguins, and you'll know they're about penguins because they're nonfiction, 598.4 and 598.47. So these are nonfiction books, which means they are true factual books that will help you with research. Penguin World, Penguins, and Other Flightless Birds. You'll see that we have 1 copy of each and they're both available. So you'd be able to go get those books in our library. And the last way to search is by series. Maybe you've read a book like 39 Clues. Those are by multiple authors. You want to see which one's next. 39 Clues and click series. You'll see we have 15 different 39 Clues books. We've got number 3, number 4, number 5, number 4, number 8. And you'll see that they're by different authors. This one is a fiction LER, fiction WAT. So maybe you need book 4, fiction WAT. You come over here, we have 1 copy and it's available. So you could go find it. That's how we use Destiny. There's also Destiny Discover over here on the left. And this is a little more user-friendly, a little more exciting. And there's a couple of things on here that the first catalog search page doesn't have. So we've got ebooks that are available. We've got audiobooks that are available. These are books that were recently added to our collection. And you can see this one's in. This one's out. And this is a great way to search by topic. If you come in and you want a book that's scary, or a book about sports, you want a graphic novel. So this is the way to search for those. So if you're looking for a scary story, you click on scary, and here you go. Again, it tells you if it's in or out. If you click on it, it will tell you a little bit about the book. Again, if you want to check out, you would log in. Here's an ebook. This one's hardcover. There's a book. So again, just another way to search for books in our library. I hope this helps, and I hope you can find what you need. Thanks.